Broadcasting from the center of the Philippines. Rather, Metro Manila. This is Jam 88.3.
16 years of hip-hop and R&B. Wave 89.1.
What station you know got a line?
Wave 891.
Play the best R&B hip-hop.
Wave 891. Turn it up right now. Don't touch that dial. Every day I'm riding on the wave. 89.1. Much love to everybody out there. Yeah, you know we got it. Popping like a chiropractor, best of R&B and rap. All you gotta do is wave. You know where the party's at. Here comes the brand new flavor. Yeah, I'ma show you how we do it. Yeah, we hot to this. Yeah, I'll burn it up the charts, stacking up the knots. Wave 89.1, keep it locked. Cause it's about to go down with the hottest urban music this side of town. Whether it's international or homegrown, old school, new school, got you in a damn music zone. Getting your ride, you gotta turn it up high, cause we're mixing it right. Got you feeling the vibe like a hot damn. Yeah, we set in the mood, the illest killing man. Tell it, y'all, this ain't nothing new. Keeping it real, we changing the game. Every day I'm riding on that wave. Turn it up right now. Don't touch that dial. Every day I'm riding on the wave. Turn it up right now. Don't touch that dial. Every day I'm riding on the wave.
Experience the power of magic across the archipelago. Magic 92.3 Cebu. Magic 89.1 Davao. Magic 106.3 Bacolod. Magic 89.3 Cagayan de Oro. Magic 106.3 General Santos. And Magic 89.9 in Metro Manila. We've got the nation covered. We all need magic.
Numero 1 na naman sa pangkalahatan ang inyong love pinakahuling radio survey. Ang Love Radio ay number 1 na naman.
15 anyos na tayo. Ang tibay.
I know, right?
15 anyos na tayo. Institusyonal.
I know.
15 anyos na tayo. Dalaga na.
I know. AYNO. Always your number 1. Right? Always your number 1. I know. 90.7 Love Radio. I know, right?
Ano ang tunog ng radyo sa mga kabahayan?
Win Radio! Win Radio! Win Radio!
Sa mga palengke at tindahan.
Win Radio!
Sa mga terminal at mga sasakyan.
Win Radio!
Sa mga opisina.
Win Radio!
Isa ang tunog ng radyo sa buong Mega Manila.
Win Radio! Win Radio! Win Radio!
Kung iba ang tunog ng radyo mo, palitan mo at makiuso na.
Mahal kong mga kababayan, maligayahan kayo nito.
91.5 Win Radio! Pinag-iisipan pa ba yan?
Transmitting live from our brand new studios at TV5 Media Center in Reliance, Mandaluyong. By land, by sea, and on air. Mula sa pinakabaksyong newsroom sa buong bansa. 25,000 watts. Radyo 5, 92.3 News FM. Iwanan mo na ang lumang tunog ng AM.
When you love what you're doing.
When you're having fun.
When it's not just a job, but a passion.
You just want to do your best 24/7, every day, every week, and every year.
Thank you, KBP Golden Dove Awards, for assuring us that we're giving you what you, the Filipino audience, deserves. Simply the best entertainment on Philippine radio.
It's great to be on good time.
At the 25th TVP Golden Dove Awards.
Best FM radio station Metro Manila, Monster RX 93.1 for a record 11th award.
Best FM Radio Provincial, Monster Radio BT 105.9 Cebu.
Best radio special program, Throwback, the year that was.
Best radio comedy program, The Morning Rush.
And best music radio jock, Rico Robles.
And a total of 14 finalists, including Countdown Top 7 for Best Variety Program and Best Comedy Program.
Heard on Thursdays for Best Culture and Arts Program.
Louis D for Best Music Radio Jock and Best Variety Program Host.
Hazel and Rico Robles for Best Variety Program Host.
The Monster Indie Ground Tour for Best Radio Station Promotional Material.
And Monster Radio BT 99.5 Davao for Best FM Station Provincial.
Radio that's entertaining and relevant to you. Radio you can't live without.
Radio for the Monster Nation. The best FM radio stations in the Philippines are
Cebu's hottest, Monster Radio BT 105.9.
And Manila's hottest, Monster RX 93.1. Woo!
Ito ang IFM, ang music station ng RMN sa Mega Manila, 93.9. Ito ang IFM, ang music station ng RMN sa Mega Manila, 93.9.
Hit after hit, IFM Philippines. Hello, sounds good. Hello, 94.7.
This is the nation's only Pinoy music station.
Ito ang Pambansang FM.
Siyento, porsyento, 100%. Tukang Pilipino ang maririnig nyo dito sa Pinas FM. Tahanan ng OPM. I am flying so high, yeah. I'm touching the sky.
Your love makes me soar. It lifts me high. Your love is what I long for. Promise me there would be no goodbyes. I need to tell you this. You're the only one who made me feel this way. I just so love this feeling you gave me. I swear in my heart I'll keep you until the day I die. I just think of you, then the butterflies.
I just think of you, then butterflies. Easy
Patuloy ang tugstugan at tahuan. Isang tunog para sa buong bayan. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, lahat tayo. Ito ang barangay sa ating mga radyo. Nationwide! Isang bansa, isang barangay sa Mega Manila. Barangay LS 97.1.
radyo ay i-on
and know what's going on. Ang musika'y pakinggan, matuwa sa kakulitan. May potpot sa umaga,
dramang radyo nobela.
tanghali tokto papa,
Sa gabi ikaw ang bisa.
so tara na tugtugan na tayo. Sa aming tawa ng sumabay, your paboritong FM radio, dito sa Barangay Nationwide.
sa Mega Manila. Kayo ay nakikinig sa Barangay LS 97.1. Tugstugan na!
Broadcasting live from the City State Center in Pasig City. We will melt your stereos with the heat of the summer.
Summer.
This is the home of the millennials. The music of now. 97.9 Home Radio.
Ito ang 98.3 Radyo Kontra Droga with DJ Ron.
Huwag na nating hintayin na kumalat at lumala ang droga sa ating lipunan.
Lalong-lalo na sa mga kabataan. Imbis na gumanda ang kanilang buhay,
Huwag natin hayaang masira
kaya hindi kami magsasawa na sabihin
at ulitin
na sa droga ay talo ka.
98.7 DZFE, The Master's Touch, brings you the music of the Masters and the Master's Word. We are glad we are able to touch you in both ways.
This is Randy for the On The Go show, and this is 99.5 Play FM. Number one for new music and all the hits.
99.5 This is RJFM on the Raja Broadcasting Network. RJFM.
You're listening to RJ After Dark.
This is RJ 100 FM on the Raja Broadcasting Network, scorching the worldwide net on www.rjplanet.com.
Like what you like. We're alive like you. We are the night and the day. We are the music we play. 100.3 RJFM.
Member KBP, kapisanan ng mga broadcasters sa Pilipinas.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Steve O'Neill.
Best song. Most music.
Steve O'Neill. Yes, it's Steve O'Neill.
No. Yeah. RJ 100.
You're on the morning drive with Nadine.
You're beautiful. It's true. 100.3
Hello, everybody. Good morning. It's finally Friday. The weekend is here, and I'm your Get Up and Go girl. So.
Sikat sa sukat, hari ng QC, hilig ng Pasig, tinututukan ang taga-Bikutan hanggang Alabang, ito rin malamang, panay-panay, nakikinig ang Pasay. Navotas, Parañaque, Valenzuela, Mandaluyong, Caloocan, patok sa Marikina, ang ilig na Taguig, atin na rin ang Millennials sa Manila, number 1 sa Laguna, Pampanga, Bulacan, Batangas, Cavite, Millennials ang Baluarte.
The Millennials choice. Yes, the best. 101.1. Yes, the best.
Number 1 daw sila. Number 1 din tong isa. Yun, number 1 din. Lahat na lang kayo, number 1. Kung lahat kayo number 1, eh, sinong number 2?
Wala! Kami na lang! Yes, the best. Yes, the best. That's 101.1. Yes, the best. The Millennial Choice.
WMOR 101.9. My number one and only radio for life.
Every day I turn my radio on. Nakikinig sa my one and only radio station.
Nalisanan ako, ikaw lang ang radyo ko. Dahil more talaga dito sa aking paborito.
My only radio for life. You're the best friend that I've ever known.
Magbago man ang ikot ng mundo, ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko.
You are my only radio. You are my only radio for life.
Mga request na pinagbibigyan.
Mga kantang gustong-gusto kong pakinggan.
Abay, dahil gusto mo! Bigay na yan! Bigay na yan!
My only request with Choco Loco.
Transcending the boundaries of radio.
The perfect blend of nostalgic and real.
Playing you the hits
that make you go.
The hits of the 90s and 2K. Today, 103.5.
This is your hit music nation. The station with 3 stars in the sun. Red, white, and blue. FM2. 104.3 FM2. On the air in Metro Manila and Baguio.
105.1.
Bacolod.
99.1.
Cebu.
90.7.
And Davao.
93.1.
This is the Mareco Broadcasting Network Incorporated, a member of the KBP.
Crossover.
Metro Manila, Baguio, Cebu, Bacolod, and Davao. It's all covered in smooth.
Crossover.
On the air in Metro Manila and Baguio.
105.1.
Bacolod.
99.1.
Cebu.
90.7.
And Davao.
93.1.
This is the Mareco Broadcasting Network Incorporated, a member of the KBP.
Crossover.
Guaranteed favorites. Positively smooth.
Crossover.
The crossover we can recall on the smoothest place on your radio. 105.1.
Crossover.
Broadcasting from Pasig City, Philippines. Mega Manila's first and only retro radio station. Still the #1 upscale FM station in Mega Manila by the latest Nielsen radio survey. This is Retro 105.9 DCGFM. Total Recall. Memories 24/7. Member KBP. Retro 105.9 DCGFM. It's more than just music. It's a lifestyle. DCGFM. The Morning Flight. The Morning Flight with Hillbilly Willie on Retro 105.9 DCGFM. Broadcasting from Pasig City, Philippines. Mega Manila's first and only retro radio station. Still the #1 upscale FM station in Mega Manila by the latest Nielsen radio survey. This is Retro 105.9 DCGFM. Total Recall. Memories 24/7. Member KBP. Retro 105.9 DCGFM. It's more than just music. It's a lifestyle.
We count down the greatest hits one by one on the Triggerman's Top 20 at 12. Saturdays and Sundays at 12 noon.
Hi, Bangga! Hi, Bangga! Huwag mo'y sabihin radyo! Sabihin mo!
Noon, ang simple lang sa isang beat. Sumasaya ang buhay ngayon. Ang dami nang nagbago, pero kahit ano pa man ang mauso, radyo pa rin ang gusto ko.
Sa Mayo
opisina, kotse, taxi at jeep, tricycle, FX, basta masikip. Palengke, internet, plaza, karinderya, Energy FM, nagbibigay saya.
Tama.
Huwag mong sabihin radyo, sabihin mo 106.7 Lupit mo. Huwag mong sabihin radyo, sabihin mo Energy.
Huwag mo sabihin radyo, sabihin mo Energy.
Classic talaga. Mahigit isang dekada na. 6 na eleksyon. Di na mabilang na rally sa EDSA. At napakarami ng bagyo. Binahana tayo't nagkaunos. Di mo kami iniwan. Tawanan. Inis. Lungkot at kantahan. Sabay nating pinagsaluhan. Maraming dumating. May mga umalis din. Tayo, nandito pa rin. Iba talaga ang banding natin. Sanggang dikit, katsoparan at tropa-tropa. 14 na taon. Pangga. Ang samahan natin. Classic talaga. Pangga ay energy you.
Wish-clusive on Wish 107.5. Wish 107.5.
Wish time is 1:02.
Morning till nighttime, you're by my side. Just like a real friend, you keep me warm. Singing my sadness, singing my joys, singing my every breath, singing. You are my angel, watching over me. You're my trusty wishing star, my wish is what you grant. I'm walking on rainbow when I'm with you. You are my radio.
Wish 107.5. It's the Wish List on Wish 107.5. All hits 24/7.